Good morning, teacher. How is you? My name is Neville Paul. This is a female boy, Michael, and me just bring him come to school.
In born one rainy days, ma'am. It was coming on tonight. Ugly baby grew up pretty fit true, for this one was a sight.
So in born the week when Rufus jackfruit tree did start for beer, is that same month Obi Pig dead, but me forget the year.
Recall him Mike, Mikey, Jake, Jakey, Jacob, Jack. But him right name is Michael Jacob Alexander Black.
Not treat him rough, your teacher. Him is a sickly child. As you touch him hard. As you touch him hard, he make nice. Some people say him poil. Take time with him, your teacher. If him rude and start for rave, this beat another boy. And him be frightened and behave.
For enough time when him rude a yard and won't hear me at all, I just beat the bedpost hard, man. And you want to hear Jack ball.
Now that you know him little ways and not have enough fear that anything we mail him so I left him in your care. I like the part that say, if me rude, beat him. And then me will behave. Yeah, that make no sense. That's true, though. Maybe you one slap and just say, sorry, teacher.
Yeah,
no,
you just hold the order, because you know, say, if it's your turn, I worries.
You know, this is interesting because, you know, they always talk about Patois with a first language, second language. But, you know, Patois don't easy to read still.
No.
Because this is noise, but it's spelled N-I-Z-E.
Right. Nice.
So when I look at it, as you touch him hard, it make nice. But it's N-I-Z-E because I have to look at it, but it's because of the rhyming, why I kind of figure out, say, it's supposed to be nice.
But part of it is that we train for read English.
Okay.
We're not trained for read Patois.
So there you go. Yeah. All right, we're going to go for another break. When we come back, an important discussion, very important discussion. Please stay with us. Soon come.